Hello and welcome. In this video I show you how to start up and connect your DJI Mini 4 Pro with your RC2 controller. Please make sure that the batteries are fully charged and start up your controller. Follow the step-by-step guideline in the controller. Choose your wished language and your country. You need a Wi-Fi connection for the further steps. Then choose your time zone . And confirm the shown time. You also need a DJI account to start the activation. Log in or click in the upper right corner to create a new account. You will get some tips about the functions. You don't have to confirm all data information. The controller is ready to connect. Now you can start up the Mini 4 Pro. It will connect automatically after some seconds. You have to confirm the activation. In this step you could buy DJI Refresh if you want to. That's it. I hope this video helped you. I would appreciate a like and or subscribe. Have a nice day.